Welcome to the project demonstration of shed folding mechanism by using servo motors and Arduino Uno and along with ultrasonic sensor. So after placing the shed in proper way on this mechanism, when we place the hand near this one, the system automatically fold this shed or T-shed and it will provide that. And for that we are making use of 3 servo motors along with Arduino Uno which will controlling this mechanism based on the sensor inputs to this one. Totally 3 servo motors, 1, 2 and 3 for folding this shed. So let us see the demonstration. Yeah, right. So let us place the shed this manner and it's on the power supply. Thereafter just place the hand near here, then right. So successfully folding was done. Right. Again when you come near to this, it was done. Again once again, right, once again, right. Thank you.